Okay, and welcome back. And this is the step in the Halo editing process where we actually take that exported JMS file and the TIFF files and create tags for them. And we create tags by opening up the command prompt, navigate down to your Halo CE root directory, and just type Tool and hit Enter. And this will actually bring up all of the commands that you can use with Tool. Right now we do want to build bitmap tags, so we're going to select bitmaps and source directory. So we'll type in Tool, bitmaps, and it's automatically going to assume that we're in the data directory. So we just need to tell it to go lower than that to levels, splinter, and bitmaps, and hit Enter. And you'll notice it did give us a warning. It says warning, bitmap with greater than 1 bit alpha being compressed as DXT1. We actually don't want that to happen, so we'll go ahead and open up Guerilla and go to File, Open, and go into Levels, Splinter, Bitmaps, and open up splinter_ground.bitmap. Tool.exe actually created all of the directories, and they just mirror the directories that you created in the data folder. So we're going to go ahead and open that up, and if you go to show bitmaps for this tag and click on show alpha, you'll notice there's nothing there to see. We want to change that, so under the format section we'll drop down that drop down box and click on compressed with explicit alpha, and then we'll want to go ahead and save that. We'll open our command prompt back up, hit arrow up key, and that'll bring up our last command, and hit Enter. And this time we did not get the error. The explicit alpha channel was created, so now we're good with the bitmap. We actually need to create a shader for this now, so we'll go back into Guerilla, go to File, New, and then under the group tag drop down, go down to shader_environment. So we're going to make a new shader environment for this. You're going to select OK, and for the tag for this we're going to want this as a simple under flags, and under physics we're actually okay here because we are creating a level that's dirt and grass, but if you did want to create a level that was ice, if you wanted an ice level, you can select ice in here, and that changes the physics of the ground, so when you're driving on it the warthog slides around a little bit more. Like I said, in this case we're fine with dirt. We're going to go down to diffuse properties. For our base map we're going to hit the 3 dots there, and under our tags directory we're going to go to levels, splinter, bitmaps, and splinterground.bitmap. And then under our primary detail map scale we're going to want the primary detail to be around 25 to 30, and our primary detail map is actually going to be the sand or the dirt sections of the map. So we are going to go under our tags, we're going to go to levels, B30, bitmaps, and detailground.bitmap, and we're going to open that up. And then the secondary detail map scale we'll put as 25 to 30, and the secondary detail map, this is going to be the grass areas. You'll go to tags, levels, A30, bitmaps, and detailgrass.bitmap. And now we're done editing this shader. We do want to save it, and we'll save it under our tags directory under levels, splinter. We'll create a new folder and we'll call this folder shaders, and we'll go in there and we'll name this shader splinter_ground and select save. Now we want to export the level itself, so we'll type tool, structure, and it's going to assume that we're in the data directory, so we'll go to levels, splinter, and then space splinter. The first splinter is the directory that we want it to go to, and the second splinter is the actual file name of the JMS file. And we'll hit Enter, and it'll go through and build the tag for that. Now we want to open this tag in Guerilla, so we'll go to File, Open, we'll go to Levels, Splinter, and then select the splinter.scenario, and we'll open that. Now under this tag, it's going to be the first section called Skies. We want to add a sky. We'll select the 3 dots next to sky. It'll open up the dialog and navigate up to your tag's root directory and go to the sky folder, and we'll make this a clear afternoon, so we'll select the clear afternoon sky and we'll open that. Now under type, we don't want this as a solo, we want it as a multiplayer, so we'll select multiplayer. And now we'll scroll about halfway down till you find the section called starting equipment, and we're going to want to add one here. Under type 0, we'll select all games because we want the starting equipment to be effective for all games. Under item collection 1, we'll hit the 3 dots, navigate up to your tags root directory, go to the items collections folder and single weapons. You'll be able to select any one of these weapons. In our case, I want to start out with pistol, so I'll select the pistol item collection and click open. And under item collection number 2, again navigate to the item collections folder, single weapons, and I want to start them out with a rocket launcher as well. And now we want to save this tag, so we'll go ahead and close and save. And in the next step, we'll actually go into Sapien and populate the level.